again. On his
Which one's ours?
All of this.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
Ooh! Oh my god! Oh my! Oh! Yes! Go! 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 Activate the boost! Activate the boost! Ah! Reach it! Now I can.
Oh, sorry, can I see your ID?
That's my ID earlier. I was giving my permit. I was about to give him that, and I was like, wait a minute.
Here's your good donuts.
Here, you want to change? Happy birthday.
Thank you.
I gotta get them all changed.
Too intense! Too intense!
How did this happen?
Pop! Oh! Race, get his motor, get his motor! Stack it, leave! Yes! Yes! I feel the G's! 6 G's! What? Oh, 4 DLT! Oh no! I won! Don't make me destroy you, Paul!
Oh god, she's flying.
Here she comes, here she comes. You can't even handle this. You can't handle this. Ooh! Spread them wide, Reese. Congratulations. Uh-oh, don't look, she's showering.
The lady behind me.
We just went on Summit Plummet. Paul, how would you rate your experience?
Probably 5 out of 10 because that thing hurt my butt like really bad.
It made all of our backs red.
It was a pretty fun ride though.
My back.
Ooh.
Is it even red anymore?
Yeah, it is. Yours is the only one to the right, I think.
Get it! Oh wait! Yes!
I got a tiny one!
Shit!
Yes!
I'm gonna get it!
Oh, salty! Come down, Paul! Get it!
Ooh.
Woo! And now it's time to surf, baby. Slow down. Again, teammate. What are these for?
Grab on.
Oh, I got a cool mind.
Man, that was not such a lazy river. Oh. Well, this is peaceful.
12 seconds later.
Race! It's too intense!
Oh, are you just eating sugar? That's depressing. I'm going backwards.
Gotta get that butt massage.
Yeah! Everybody stand up! Whoa!
It's just too loud.